Joshie gave me one. And there is freaking fireworks. I know, I bet you guys can't hear me, but there's fireworks going on right now.
I didn't even know that was up there.
June 24th. Yeah, June 24th. Oh, June 25th, I mean. And there's freaking fireworks going on. Oh my god! Shots fired, people. Shots fired. I don't know if mini firework. Mini firework. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in. Look at that. Boosh. It's so cool. I don't know why they're doing fireworks right now, but it's pretty cool. I'll get more footage on that. Where's the fireworks? There it is. They're early. Maybe we can get action on like the ones that are loud. Boosh, 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 boosh. Okay, I think you guys are gonna probably exit the video immediately because this is literally loud. There's 7298 right there. I don't think you can see users. Yeah. Exactly. Oh, that was cool. Like vanilla type. Oh, there's another one. Oh, get out of my video, people. Boosh. Boosh. This is kind of a boring vlog, but it's pretty cool, like watching fireworks. Oh, wow, that one was cool. Whoa. It's really cool to see in person. Whoa. I wonder how long this is going to be for. Hopefully it's for a long time. Whoa. So, before this, me and Luke... Oh, he's vlogging. Yeah. Me and Luke had a dance party before this. Alright, back action on the freaking fireworks. Boosh. Cool. And it's dark out. There's Jacob and there's Josh. Yeah. Jacob. They can't see you at all. Josh, yeah. He's right there. I promise you. Jacob, what?
Yo, what's up, people?
Right there. There's no light. Yeah, because it's fairly dark out. Well, it's not really dark out here, but the camera seems like it's dark. All you can see is probably the fireworks, so that's the only bright thing. This place is amazing. Oh, I just saw a dead one go off. Oh, wow. I'm not making a video because I don't want to. RIP headphone users, literally. Boosh! Boosh! Oh, I like those sparkle, like sizzle ones. Yeah, me too. Whoa, that was a big one. So was that one. And that one. And that one. And that one. Oh, whoa. Oh, I love this. This is like the grand finale or something. No, it's 15 minutes. Whoa. You probably can't see this. That's my cousin right there. And then my cousin right there. And then Jacob right there. And then Luke right there. And then my right there. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, that looks like a...
Whoosh. It seems like I'm like in a movie. What if I was like under it? That would be insane. I'd probably die. Whoosh. That was not that good. But then they start going hot. Yeah, it's like, here, let me check what time it is. Checking what time it is. It is 9:30 p.m. Eastern Central Time. Oh, whoa, that sizzle one was good. Oh my god. Oh, whoa. Look at that. Whoa. I don't even know if those are fireworks. What if it spelled out something? That would be cool. Whoa! That was loud. Probably the loudest one yet. Oh, that was cool. This is probably the first firework video ever made on YouTube. Not like on YouTube, but like right now. Whoa. I don't know where to aim the camera because they're just coming from anywhere, like over there or here. We have like the perfect spot, literally. Oh, you just saw what I was sitting on. For literally a split second. This is sick. Oh, whoa. This was sick commentary, people. I'm sorry for this horrible commentary, but I think it's awesome. Okay. Well, okay, I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm getting really, I really want to record. I want to watch this personally. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, maybe. So bye bye.